Now you're videotaping.
Katie, I don't think that you should look so beautiful doing that.
Well.
This is Nicholas at
Shitty.
work.
Yay.
This is Julie at work. This is Nicholas's work.
And I'm not my uniform.
There's John. See John.
Camera.
And Rinder and the oven.
Oh, are you doing a freaking video?
Yeah, man. I just bought a new camera.
And
Hi.
there's Katie again. She's a bit of a camera hog.
Can't
A
stay
little
up.
bit.
Here's the bathroom.
Yeah.
They smell.
Whew-wee. This is the men's urinal. It is out of order. And back to work.
Hey, how would you feel about coffee from Starbucks?
I would love one.
How would you feel about Katie going to Starbucks to get coffee?
How would you feel about using my debit card to get me one?
I'll decide for you and you can pay me back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't start.